Welcome to Microsoft Excel, from beginner to expert in 6 hours. This course is a great introduction to Microsoft Excel and spreadsheets. If you are a beginner, this class is perfect for you. If you already have experience, this class will help you grow your skill set. After taking this class, you will have learned 80% of what there is to know about Microsoft Excel and spreadsheets. What this means is that you will be very proficient at using Microsoft Excel. I'm tenured college faculty in California, and for over 25 years, I've taught individuals of all ability levels how to use Microsoft Excel. What this means is that I am tried, tested, and proven as a teacher, and I have methods which I've developed over 25 years to help people learn Microsoft Excel more efficiently and more effectively. In addition, I'm a Microsoft Certified Educator. I'm a Microsoft Certified Master in Microsoft Excel. This is a whole lot of Microsoft. And I'm also a Microsoft Certified Master Instructor, which is a super rare credential that not a lot of people have. So I have all of the credentials for teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel, and I also have all of the experience to teach it to you really quickly and really effectively to help you learn it as fast as possible and get up to speed so that you know what you're doing with Microsoft Excel. Let's take a look at the course outline. So we're going to start in this course information section where you're going to learn all about getting your certificate and how to gain access to all of the files that I use in the course. So as you go through the course, you're going to be able to download every single file that I use and work right along beside me as you're going through the course. Then we'll move into this next section, quick start with Microsoft Excel. And this is going to give you a high-level overview of the essential things that you need to know about Microsoft Excel. So if you're already experienced with computers, you're going to be able to move really quickly, getting up to speed with Microsoft Excel. And if you're new to Microsoft Excel, not as familiar with computers, this is going to give you a great overview of some of the most important principles as we go through the course. Then there'll be some hands-on exercises. Then we're going to look at Microsoft Excel fundamentals, and then some more hands-on exercises. And then we're going to look at functions, and then we're going to have more hands-on exercises, and there's going to be a lot of hands-on exercises so you could actually practice what you're learning and really reinforce those skills. Then we're going to look at the popular Excel functions, and we're going to look at how to format for impact and make our Excel spreadsheets look beautiful and compelling. And there's going to be more hands-on exercises throughout this entire thing. And then we're going to look at creating charts and graphs and more hands-on exercises and working with data and managing data and pivot tables. And then there'll be some odds and ends like printing your worksheet and protecting your workbook sheets and cells, and something called object linking and embedding, which I kind of like because it's Olay. And that sounds kind of fun. And then we're going to look at creating macros and some more hands-on exercises. And that's going to be the course. And it's going to be an amazing course. And it's really going to help you come up to speed and learn the essentials of what you need to know to use Microsoft Excel and spreadsheets, all spreadsheets everywhere, regardless of manufacturer, how to use spreadsheets like Microsoft Excel. You're going to learn that in this course. You're going to learn it thoroughly, and you're going to learn it well. This is a great course, and I'm so excited for you that you found it, because I know without any hesitation, within any reservation, that this is one of the best, if not the best, course in the entire world for learning Microsoft Excel. And I know this because I've taught thousands of students how to use Microsoft Excel, and I know how to teach people well, and I've seen thousands of students learn it well. So welcome to class. I'm so excited that you're here. Click that enroll button wherever it is on the screen. Find that button, click enroll, come join me, and let's get started learning and having fun learning about Microsoft Excel. See you in class.